Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Kraken account in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to go to Kraken's website. So open a web browser and navigate to the Kraken website. And once you're there, you can just click on the create accounts button that's in the top right corner of the Kraken page. And then you're going to need to enter a valid email address that you will use to log into your Kraken account. And of course, you're going to need to create a strong and unique password for your Kraken account. And once that's done, you're going to also need to enter your name and date of birth to comply with Kraken's Know Your Customer requirements. So just go ahead and enter your name and your date of birth to Kraken. And once that's done, you're going to agree to the terms of service. So be sure to read through that first. And once you've read through it, agree to Kraken's terms of service, because of course you're not going to be able to open the account without agreeing to that. So once you've agreed to it, you're going to need to verify your email address by clicking on the link that's going to be sent to your email address by Kraken. So open your email address and then just verify the email. Once that's done, you might also want to set up a two-factor authentication, just to add an extra layer of security to your Kraken account. So take your time and set that up. And once that's done, the final step is going to be to fund your Kraken account with cryptocurrency or fiat currency in order to start trading on Kraken. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Kraken account in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys